He was a very fine gentleman. No fine gentleman like that. Obia a fine gentleman. Obia a good lady. But to the extent so what this kind a woman. Apa. And you go when me say me who say me twam say na wukun akokwa.
Onfe.
Me
It's be communipa.
In fact, throughout my life as a lawyer, murder cases be a woman shamaye biam enya common. E be a timba be se mfie be du ni me. Bi kura be mfie du nu. Chese me no bi amba wiase me nkontokwa da. Ye kontokwa se me nya bi da achenkwa. I have never in my life said me dia ba aname de me se bo me ba. Na obi de sekane pa e wo yonko nipa aba
Memoir kwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana hushe. Se way of first time any bomodin subscribe. Mia notification is so send anytime bia ye di video betumu no won so sabekano enye bia we should hear comment fa ho kire wa dwen efa video no ho busia like video no na share emo bia so enye bi hwe medasi bebre abusia lawyer Nana Obring Boahi abusia for ordinano atum lawyer Edina no atumu anu okasafa Nana Pole abusiafo Insuatreman FC abusia omukoku no ewo mra Asante Kotoko eni Insuatreman FC ehia ye no abusia eno anu oka ho asem lawyer Nana Obring Boahi se wonte ase chese wodwen ho a wonte ase se nipa dese nipa betumi atwese kan edia woni nyonko ekuno all because of football oso wonte ase wontiasie kra no tremu a emre bi okohia Nana Pole ewo bechem satam no na Asante Kotoko eni bechem FC ana na abusua omuhia no say ono de na wahwe Nana Pole ewo TV so sai etu ono lawyer Nana Obring Boahi no de na onim Nana Pole but no onim se Nana Pole ono so onim ne pa abusuafo o se Nana Pole ehu na chese Pony din tonton sansan or de to aso any o body lawyer Nana Obring Boahi o body na chisa no o ma me fans any obia dan ani ye den ehwe se lawyer Nana Obring Boahi oni o se chese Nana Pole ahombrasie pa ni otumu se owo dosronko eye den ema football owo dosronko ema Asante Kotoko ankasa ntia ye no nwanwa pa se obi betumi atwese kan e de akuni nyonko bisua asemu a osi wo ka kire GF for say wo munhwe yi na nyesa de ekoso no e betumi egu football kra so man fa mra bi am bata ho abusuafo enkofo e de etutrasem sa na Ghana football ayeden egu sei kojo to abusua lawyer Nana Obring Boahi wo kasa efa Nana Pole ho itimo de momienko Niankotie no.
Mama used to be 3 minutes binamni lawyer nim koma kitua bi won Pole and Ghana football. Yeah. And then akwa se ye kwa prama so na ye kobo ball de ke din kabom na eba na se be wiachi na akwa ya asem na akofa asem fro de ba kire na otwe na Pole se sem boba ya Kotoko ni Insuatreman ekobo ya ko wiachi no Pole ekoya one sign amabi lawyer what the football e chiache na why football so ache yenhwe ne ekoso Ghana football mu and I want say friend achi you state permit say o mehia match commissioners ni nyina next week na after next week ne say bia bibia nsi dia Ghana Premier be bounce back the following week no the Pole issue no I was here na ewu just like that na
no Dabi just like that ados we kobobo ha na ye bono we kobo utna ho na wote pass asi we num ko boye yabo mo from the 80s crofobia ko ozam kranzan krubiso o mugu o mapia adults. I've been a victim before.
Taboda.
She. And now some ketua.
Be in that dama.
Oh, that be not an idea of Bofakwa, ni Johnny, ni Johnny.
Nany a bo.
Kobobo or a drama.
Aye.
Touch it, I drop.
Kusi Wafukro.
I want no free.
As I want no any food.
Aha, Kobobo or a drama. And my Johnny.
But not your own ball, but now
I'm in Bobo. My Johnny, I could feeder. No, but I go so, but you know, the brain, a magana bono, nyako no. And run himself ball, non conocrano, no Manchester United and Leicester City, no mumpony.
I said a 2-1.
Because as I said,
Maguire,
as some chevy. What I say? Liverpool, Newcastle, Liverpool, Tottenham. Tottenham lead by a single goal. And Liverpool beat me. As I saw transfer man, Liverpool shall 4. Until shall nam you know, be a medantem, nam you know, nora na no. Or woman in Croatia say,
tell an answer na Chelsea is not Brighton. Measure. I told about 3 years, dear no one. Napoleon, Menenachia, Mpunum Puseno. Eye kotokone bichim. Okay. Some cases are done on Namako. Nam se meshibi. And luckily, so on me free so a besifum. And I'm so me ko park, I mean ko VIP. Mole. Me ko mole. Chana me dem life stay. Enti omo gate bi bechem sunyana kwa no. Gate bi woni fanso ho. Eti me ko twa me se kwa metua me ko twa no opie ba no botuntun sansan enti opie lawyer besin ko na me se dabi abra bonte sa metua na metua me ko nyina no odi simachi tuntun sansan na odi mi wuram lawyer gituntun sansan bi bo kakra manu nzam pa fabulous. Nam say oh na say me penyim petim bi asegibo na njimbo tonton sansan tete no ati yo no yo nti obo tonton sansan gumi so tonu na amanfo ni nyina no eba e frame say na amanfo people are seated no wo mo frame lawyer uma police lawyer ko ye supporters bi no maba enti ye ne wo mo ebewuram. That was so I, for the first time in my life, me no dey na me hwe on TV so, but na ka so onim me. So ni me free soro e be si fam say twan. Interestingly, o ma half time no. Ana zemeno ye sense baby al mo na se upio peso gunso. Lawyer na na nwumre obedi fufu mra me ni fufu say. Me di fufu ansa no mada na me ne sere. He was a very fine gentleman. No fine gentleman like that. Obia a fine gentleman. Obia a good lady. But to the extent so what this can I want apa. Ajukwa when him say me who say me twam say na wuku akokwa. Onfe. Me. It's be communipa. In fact, throughout my life as a lawyer, murder cases be a woman samaye biam enye common. E be a timba be se mfie be du ni me. Bi kura be mfie du nu. Chese me no bi amba wi ase me nkontokwa da. Ye kontokwa se me nya bi da achenkwa. I have never in my life say me dia ba anamede me se bo me ba. Na obi de sekane pa. E wo yonku nipa. Abba. Say. Was justice a ban sana Ghana football bounce back and I say league ya omugbo ekra no ekebe yakomuntwam. Oh, omuntwam, but you know there must be expeditious trial. I say ekono ntentem. Enra me hu statement from Kotoko supporters no. Na Ghana football final to safre omo say ekomra no omo teams omunye meeting wa Accra. Statement Kotoko fund by ne kire say omo nko because omo ni pawu na me ade atomani no o ma me yako wo se me mforo ka mfi kumase emra nkran dia omo enko ono me adwen.
Oh, I think so. And you say more being concerned me sentimental or emotional. No be cancer. My gonna name actually. Ebia meeting. Ebia maker. And I want to name actually say. And coming Ebisana Ghana Football Association penny wama
because IGP aba and no maba meeting but say Ghana Football for ne ba no maba share secretary bi nko no dey. Omo che say insin some person yes ade
minister for sports me count kabana mabakuma se ha
Kofi Adams
what me obri buanya maba akochia timura na me chia timura makwa kokochia timu mpanyimfo
mako pole busuafo
na mako abeba na busuafo me na mkachiro semia because kai sa samwe no sa kai no sa Robert Mensah mefa de no in 1971 na ye ba na Robert Mensah ne mefa akokon ye Robert Anumbi mefa so Anumbi na Robert Kabi chire no so Kabi chire no de pentoa no or the war Robert that didn't happen at a stadium sport Credoba to me find some mama but where there it's beyond human understanding so kofasikani na ode abba I think we should drop the poor lady because make akure gani abba sadly na Ghana Football Association paying for kind na abba
and I'm meetings
because I'm sabon nanka me kohwe bio
za
ai
ka ko swatre
anka be kon swatre na sada na Crystal Palace share Manchester United no etimi ya na say area ball Ghana ball when we dey bia na Man U na dey be hye ama masresre kakra nti Man U na save me what I say so na Man U na airboa enka possibly
Cow Stadium.
Yeah, but na Man U ne Crystal Palace no. Earlier no na Arsenal ahye Man City. Earlier awia no be hwe enum hwe Arsenal and Man City. Enti na no enti me mfa me ho se na nya Manchester United Crystal Palace na me call ya. Aba. Ebi enya mo me condemn na sika ne party say wo ko fa ni fia na ko fa ne hia na
wa won bafo
awo nipa no aba and o ka kire say ko do supporters mranka aba na aye no ateba ko so aye me ya mo pan say under no circumstances whatsoever as a football we are see afana ba bia de pinche be do that level Ketia ne cast for konani and they say nema yeta abrochire nyina nsi but to the level say wo yisikane awo wo yonko ni pa jai anya
then I also say fini
Mamentena hanam de mimi amano na mimu dada mu da bia berem pekasa
no see you tufu
no David o de me into Ghana Football Association for
why a football penny pay
and bofakwa me into for Ghana Football
ade into omfo
and obi amekwa afcon kra manya bia nko
amamo anko bi
MPP time AFCON you nina manya bia nko beje passport nso ba mama nko bi
former administrator of football
former administrator deputy general secretary ya gema passport our party headquarters AFCON manya bia nko am so
but on a more serious note, yes, careful, come from near Kamadampa. A foot 2 hours here, the football fans, no, a yapa.
No, take away no, wait, the assembly, new hunia. Oh, yeah, ni baby, so say we know a meda. Nti yanko hangeno ni ya buano for
Nagane Ibida.
Oh, that's say leaders no sabi kafrache on that's called the ma. Omo ya ma. Some ka so omo ya ma what you say. They are women. From 1993 up to now, your leaders no on this particular side we nkwan omo ya ma minyi twen minyi adowa. Mahama ba, Akufo-Addo ba, Ajeku Nkrofo ba, Jerry John Rawlings ba, Professor Moss ba, Meka ba, mini ba atemu. What you say?
Omo ye hufo.
Ah, na obi atwisika na kumobi. Obi atutu akumobi. Na fa pen sign, o se won sign. Mo de mo akwa mo bodyguards wo motoke rin won ti. Na ya de unprotected. Is that fair? Is that proper? Is that reasonable? It is obi kokum obi cross you anya hwe abedem betum akopusemu. So obia be ka me say man we pa me kofi boahen pa se mere bi ba na man we e be di minsa. Ankada kro mama nipa be say wo ma deaf mama aduasa na aduanan what
Yanga zo ye wudini.
Me ye wudini. Na ne otwe sekane na ode ko obi hu. Otwe tuo na ode bo obi pam. Ode nkontima bi kura wo honoma bekunu ne bayi na koma. Bekunu ne bayi na hara. Enti ni okunu na wi na koma na hara na utwa ne ketrema no. Ana twa onde onye oya aboa kura obetime twa ne nza. Na waka se ye wudini anya bronsam jam ne meko anamboa me bisa nya bronsam jam ne meko
na o preach so bronsam jam
bronsam jam will have you purgatory so that is it. So on the pot it's just so on just damnable na ebe magana dina say wo football mo
ye mo afko ikra yankobi
na afko beda no akọ onimko mo mpa info kura ko sika se no be kwa mo se je yakoba yeah friend na jomanna you live in a country na mo be ko bolwa ye se je yakoba you live in a country o ko work up an ye discase plemu yeah Ghana crash for binim ne nguraba for binim de anim guasiafo nko
Wow, obusia ene lawyer na obri boahen ana ebusiafo mote ne nkan ni nsemu edien ana wo kan fa ho koko message ho no na kire wa adwen e fa me nsemu no ho hanom Skeleton Man TV this here top for mo ye di bebre wo ti say we your first time mo ene opomodin subscribe me notification so click all no send your video bia ye di betumu no one song sabekan wanya bia sure me da si bebre